HBR says people who actively manage their visibility at work are 40% more likely to be promoted within 2 years. Think about that in the context of your internship. Doing great work is important, but if no one knows you're doing it, it's like it never happened. In this video, we're going to show you the right way to show off your work during your Excelerate internship. Let's get right into it.
Visibility is as simple as making sure the right people see the good work you are doing and understand your value. Because in both internship and real job, if you stay silent about your progress, you stay invisible, and you don't want that. So here are 5 smart ways you can show off your work during your internship.
First, document your wins weekly. Make a simple Google Doc where you write down what you have worked on and learned this week. This helps you track your progress over your internship. Contribute in meetings. Use ARMs and TCMs as a chance to speak up, share updates, ask smart questions, or offer support to teammates. And don't forget, being heard is being remembered.
Number 3, share your journey online. Make posts on LinkedIn about your progress or tasks you completed. You're not bragging, you're simply reflecting on your progress. Number 4, shout out your team. Make sure to give credit to your teammates and appreciate your leaders. If you are making a post online, you can tag them also.
5. Ask for feedback publicly. When you share ideas and ask for feedback on them, you're not only improving, you're also highlighting your growth for others to see. Making your work visible helps people take note of your contributions and also helps you build credibility. So remember, it all starts by being proactive during your internship.
If you learned something new in this video, hit the like button or subscribe to our channel. You can also check out our other videos for more practical ways to stand out during your internship experience. Did we miss something? Tell us in the comments. One way you're making your good work visible in the workplace, and we'd love to hear from you.